What if one of the most iconic classic cars in British history was reborn for the electric age? This is not just a concept. This is the 2026 Morris Minor, a car that blends retro soul with futuristic technology. At first glance, it looks elegant and simple. But look closer, and you'll realize this car hides more surprises than you expect. Stay with me, because one detail later in this video might completely change how you see modern compact cars. The 2026 Morris Minor immediately stands out with its clean and confident design. From the front, the smooth bodywork and slim LED headlights give it a calm but modern face. The lighting signature stretches wide, creating a futuristic expression while still respecting the simplicity of the original Morris Minor. The body lines are soft and flowing, not aggressive. This is a car designed to be friendly, elegant, and timeless. The deep red metallic paint adds a premium feel, especially under bright lights, whether on a racetrack or at an auto show floor. From the side, the proportions are compact but perfectly balanced. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, and the large aerodynamic wheels hint that this car is fully electric. Flush door handles and clean surfaces improve efficiency and give the car a modern character without losing its classic identity. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar instantly grabs attention. The Morris Minor lettering is proudly displayed, reminding us that this is a legend reborn. The rear design is simple, confident, and unmistakably modern. Open the door and the interior feels warm, premium, and surprisingly advanced. The cabin combines soft-touch materials with a minimalist layout. Quilted seats add a touch of luxury, while the red accents echo the exterior color, creating a cohesive design. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused. A digital instrument cluster displays speed, range, and driving information in a clear and simple way. At the center, a wide touchscreen handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Everything is intuitive, even for drivers new to electric cars. The steering wheel design is simple but modern, with integrated controls that keep your hands where they belong. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel more open and airy than you would expect from a compact car. Despite its classic roots, this Morris Minor feels very much like a car designed for 2026. The 2026 Morris Minor is expected to be fully electric, focusing on smooth, quiet driving rather than extreme speed. Acceleration is instant, perfect for city traffic and relaxed highway cruising. Advanced driver assistance features, such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking are likely included, making this car both safe and easy to live with. It's designed for everyday use, not just nostalgia. Charging is simple, with fast charging support that allows quick top-ups during busy days. This makes the Morris Minor not just stylish, but practical. This car is not trying to be the fastest or the most aggressive EV on the market. Instead, it targets drivers who value design, comfort, and heritage. It's for people who want something different, something with a story. If you love classic cars but want modern reliability, zero emissions, and smart technology, the 2026 Morris Minor speaks directly to you. The 2026 Morris Minor proves that the future of cars doesn't have to forget the past. It respects its heritage while confidently stepping into the electric era. If cars like this succeed, could we be entering a new age where classic names return? Not as copies, but as smarter, cleaner, and more meaningful vehicles? That question alone makes the Morris Minor one of the most interesting cars to watch in 2026.